everybody is fine and enjoying life. So today I'll say something about the topic why we get bored. What happened yesterday when I was talking someone on phone? They were saying I'm getting bored. Then I miss many times I saw the people complain. They say we get bored. We have got bored. There is a word bored in our life, and most of the people complain this. They say we get bored. And during this, especially this corona period, the people are getting bored. You know, yeah, this is a human tendency. Everybody gets bored. Even I also get bored. But if this is our life and if we will leave the things as it is, then we will not improve that. So what happened? We have so many problems, we have irritation with so many things, but we always leave the things as they are. We never try to change the things. So today I'll tell you, if really you get bored, then what you must do, how you can get rid of this boredom. You don't have to bore. The life is not to get bored. However, this is a common thing that you will get bored, but you have to learn to avoid it. So what the first thing you have to do, you must try to change the things. However, it is not possible every time, because we get bored after repeating same things. Like if we are wearing same dress, we'll get bored. We want some new dress should be there. We are getting same kind of food, then we want some change in food habits. Even in relationship also it happens. We with this talking with the same people, we get bored. You must have noticed, if you are traveling somewhere and you are talking to a stranger, and then you feel very trusting while talking to a new person. So always it happens whenever we get anything new in our life, that really gives us so much happiness. So it's a common tendency, a person get bored with the same things, but this is not possible that every time you can change. Every time you cannot go for outing, every time you cannot go, get outside food, every time you cannot get new dresses, every time you cannot change your relationship. In fact, even your parents, your brothers, sisters and all. So you have to adjust with these things. So now you have to learn the whatever the things you have, whatever is that. I have just given you example, like your dresses, like your foods, your relationship, your living place, whatever is that. You have to find the ways to change in that thing. Means how you can feel the change with the same things. Like suppose if you get bored with the same dresses, so you should have some creative mind. Means try to be creative. If you are very creative, then you will find something new while wearing that dresses. You can change, you can feel yourself change. And same thing in food habits also, you can try yourself. Don't depend that your mother will cook the food. Try to make something different yourself. You can try. If you are creative, you can try. Or if you find the change, like you are getting bored with the people whom you live, so you can find some new things, new way to adjust with them. Some kind of, like you are watching movie, or suppose you are getting bored while watching Hindi movie, so try to watch some Spanish movie, Russian movie, Japanese movie. You try to chase the things in the same environment, so you will never get bored. Because if you think, you realize yourself, you feel yourself that you don't have to bore at any cost, so you will never get bored. Then you will find the various new ways to live with the same things. Another thing what you can do, like I have just given an example, that you should be very creative. Really, this is very true. The people who are very creative, they never get bored, because they can do writing, they can do dance, they can singing, they can play any musical instruments, they can so if you are creative, you like to be creative, so you will never get bored. Because you are writing something, then you will take interest in yourself. You are singing, yeah, then you will take interest. You are playing any instrument, then you will take interest. You are decorating home in a different way, trying to do that, you will never get bored. We always make bored ourselves because of our nature. Otherwise, we have so much to learn, we have so much to do, so much and so much. And you cannot say I cannot do these things, I never accept these things. You can do everything. If you feel yourself that you have to do, then you will not get bored. So what you have to do, you should be very creative. And a person who is very artistic, take interest in art, like I have given example of singing, dancing, playing instrument, painting and all. So you will never get bored. You will be busy in doing that thing. So parallelly you should be very fond of doing these things. Means any of the hobby you should have of like this. Next thing what you can do, that if you get bored, then you should try to learn something, because a learning mind or never let you make you bored, because you are always crazy to learn something new. You take interest, whatever you watch you take interest, whomsoever you meet you take interest, because you want to learn with the people, you want to learn with the things. Wherever you go, you just observe the things and you try to grab the things, you try to learn the things, you try to create that thing within yourself also. Because if you have developed yourself learning mind, you have just created, means you are very having learning mind, then you will never get bored. I have seen the people who always love to learn something. They are reading newspaper, they are not getting bored. They are giving 2-3 hours in reading newspaper, because they love to know about politics, they love to know about international news, they love to know about business news. They never get bored, because they love to learn something. So that is also the solution to get rid of that boredom. Another thing what you can do, you should be very hopeful. The people who are very enthusiastic, very hopeful, they never get bored, because they always have hope to do something in their life. They are always thinking, now what next I can do, what new I can do, what means they are very optimistic towards the life. They are not like pessimistic, and these people never get bored, because they love to do something. They find something to do new in their life. They always find something new. So if you are very hopeful towards the life, you will never get bored. You will never think negative, and you will always think something positive to do something. Another way to get rid of this boredom, you always avoid the negative people. Like those people talk to you, I get bored, I have nothing to do, I'm getting bored. Why you listen to them? You don't avoid the company of these people, because they will not let you do anything also. This is your life, this is your time, this is your skill, this is your creativity, everything is of yours. Only what you have to do, you have to use that, which you are not using, and just giving the excuse of getting bored, I'm getting bored. And you should be very enthusiastic. You should have zeal to do something in your life. You should take interest in everything. I have seen the people go in marriages, they say, I don't like to dance. Why? If you don't like, why sing you can enjoy? Why you don't enjoy? Listen everything. A person who has written a beautiful poem, you listen his words and enjoy that. Means learn to enjoy everything. If you will develop this habit, then you will never get bored. So today, whatever the things I have told you, that what you can do to get rid of this boredom, I have told you, make yourself creative, be hopeful, enthusiastic, try the way, just find the ways to do the things in a different way, and then avoid the negative people, always be optimistic. When you will feel yourself internal happy, and you will always realize yourself doing something and doing something and doing something, you will never get bored. Even you will get the shortage of time. You will feel how less time I am getting, why this is only 24 hours. Really, you just do these things, and I really ensure you it will happen in your life. You will never get bored. Okay, so try these things, whatever I have told you, and I hope these will really help you, and no one will complain that I am getting bored, and everybody will say, I am enjoying my life is very interesting, and I am doing so much, and really I am very hopeful and all. Okay, so you do also, please write the comments also and share with everybody my videos. I always say and request you all to that you share my videos, so that everybody can get the benefit of that, and wish you all the best. Thank you.